How to export emails from Outlook to Excel. In this video tutorial we are going to talk about how we can export email list from Outlook to Excel. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So guys, here in my Outlook, so there is a guys two methods. So I'm going to show you the two simple method that you can export images from Outlook to Excel. The simple method is, if you want to export or copy the some emails to Excel, like 10 to 5 to 10 emails, or the small size of numbers from emails. So you can just go to the contacts, just click on this people icon. You can see this your all contacts. Okay, you can switch your contacts from here. Okay, now what you need to do, just select the email, just hold click the shift key and hold it, and just click on down arrow. So you can select the multiple contacts, or you can just hold the control key, click and hold the control key, or you can select randomly contacts like this. Or if you want to select everything, all contacts, then just hit the control plus A. Now you can, all contacts will be select. Now just right click here and just copy it, come to the Excel and just paste here. So this is for if you want to copy paste some emails like this. Okay, so you can use the emails from here. You can see there is a name and full name and everything here. Okay, you can use the formula to make, you can make use the formula to manage your data. Okay, this is simple way you can copy paste Excel email ID from Outlook to Excel. So another methods, which is you can export the emails from Outlook to Excel. How you can do this? Go to the file, go to the open and export, go to the import and export. Now we need to export the data, so click on export the data, click on common separate value. Okay, so you have to select the contacts, just find contacts from here. So this is my contacts. Okay, so you can, there is a sub contacts you can choose, but choose the you can also choose the main contacts folder. Click on next. So now you can browse the site where you want to save. So there is a by default file here which we have created. You can change the name and create another file. This is common separate file. Okay, just click on it, next, next. So it will be export. Let me check. So on the documents, if I click on this folder, this is okay, this one I just exported. So you can open it, just double tap on it. So guys, here you can see this file has been opened. As I told you, this is CSV file, and this is my all sample contacts ID. So it is show like this, but if you have proper contact list in Outlook, it will be show properly. Okay, now as I told you, this is CSV file. If you want to, this is very unsafe to work in CSV file. If you want to work on your Excel on contacts, so I suggest you just convert it in Excel file. Just go to the file, go to the save as, browse the locations, and just rename. You can rename it. Just choose the location you want to save, and from here in file type you have to change it from CSV to Excel and just save it. So it will be saved in Excel file, and now you can work here risk free. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.